if you thought traditional YouTube automation was profitable, I'm here to tell you that you can even oftentimes triple or even quadruple your AdSense earnings by doing something which is known as affiliate marketing. Now, if you aren't familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you take someone else's product, so the product has already been created, you don't create any products, and you just get a unique affiliate link to that product, and I'll show you some examples of these different types of products in this video. Then you get yourself a unique link for that product and you put that in the description of your YouTube videos. Then every time a viewer clicks onto your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you're going to get a percentage of the sale, and that is how affiliate marketing works. So you can earn great money with the AdSense program, but you can earn even more money when it comes to affiliate marketing. So in this video, we're going to discuss search-based YouTube affiliate marketing, so you know everything about it, so that you can implement it into your YouTube automation strategy and absolutely crush it this year. Okay, so I'm on this product right here called InVideo AI. I'm just showing you some example products that you can promote, and then I'll be going into how you can find the keywords to make these videos on these types of products so you can actually get sales. But this is an example of a product that you could promote. Now, I just want to say that when you're promoting products on your YouTube channel, digital products often work the best, because physical products is going to have to take some time for it to get shipped out to your customer, but with digital products they get delivered instantly, and everyone's happy that way. So InVideo AI is a digital product. Like it says, you can create videos with text prompts, and this is a great tool, by the way, for YouTube automation. I will be doing videos on that coming up in the future. But you can basically go to any sort of software product that you find online and you can sign up to their affiliate program. Usually how this is done is you go to the main product page and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page of the product you want to become affiliate for, and it has all these options right over here. So you want to look for an option that says affiliate program. So here it is. It's called affiliate program right there. If you're not seeing that and you're finding it a little bit difficult to find the affiliate program, what you can do is type Control and then F. That's going to open the Find in Page tool. Then you can just type affiliate, and as you can see, it's going to get highlighted there in green or yellow, and then you'll be able to find that. So that's how you do it. Then basically you click onto that affiliate program link, and then I'll just show you for this product, and then you know how to do it for any sort of product that you find online. But this is going to take you to the page where you can sign up to become an InVideo AI affiliate. So this actually uses the impact.com platform, where you're going to get your unique link. You're going to be able to track your stats and everything like that, but you fill in this application form. Now, when it comes to the company website, you can basically just put your YouTube channel in there, so you don't need a website or anything like that. Fill this in and then click on sign up. That's the basic process that you will go through to sign up for any sort of affiliate program. Now that you have yourself an affiliate product, and I will be going into some more examples in this video, but you want to now create videos that's going to help you promote this product. Now, what people are normally doing when it comes to YouTube affiliate marketing is they're basically taking the name of the product. So in this case, it's InVideo.ai, and then they're just putting review at the end, and then they're creating this video right here, InVideo AI review or InVideo AI honest review. Now that's a good start, but the problem with that sort of strategy is that it's going to be super saturated if you try to do the review video. So if I just click on InVideo AI review, you're going to see big channels here, so verified channels, and it's going to be pretty difficult to actually rank your video in the top of the search results if you have a small channel. So the thing that you want to do when it comes to your search-based keywords for these affiliate marketing products is you want to find a keyword where your product is going to be the solution to their problem. So people come to the search bar and they might type, for an example, how to create faceless videos with AI. So you can see that's a much more longer tail keyword. It's going to be easier to rank for as a small channel. So how to create faceless videos with AI. Then you can create your video on that sort of keyword instead of just going for the review keyword. And also if you just target review, then you basically can only make one video. So then you can see how to create faceless videos with AI. These are all the search results. You're going to have a much easier time to actually rank for these sorts of videos, and you just want to play around with this. So another one could be how to make faceless videos on YouTube. That could be another one. And then you just find like 5 or 10 different sorts of keywords for the product, and you make those videos searchable, search-based videos. And then what you do is you take your in-video AI link or your product link and you put it in the description of your YouTube channel, and always have a call to action in your video. So if you're doing the video yourself, include the call to action, which could be like, if you want to try out in-video AI, go ahead and click the first link in the description. If you're getting your videos outsourced and you're doing YouTube automation, you want to make sure that you tell your team to include that call to action. So that's one example. Another example product that I have right here is GetResponse. This is an email marketing tool that allows you to store email subscribers, email your email subscribers, and make money using email marketing. So like I said, what beginners are doing is they're going to go here and they're going to type GetResponse review program. They're going to try and rank for this GetResponse review, but there's so many other keywords that you can actually target where your GetResponse product is going to be the solution to their problem. So how to start email marketing business for beginners. How to start email marketing business for beginners. That's a much easier keyword to be able to rank for. And you can see not so many verified channels ranking, and this is going to be much easier to rank. And basically, to find these keywords, you can follow my full in-depth keyword research tutorial, which you can find on my channel right now. It goes over how you can find unlimited keywords, and all you have to do is make the one tweak where you find a product and then you find a keyword to match that product so you can promote that product. So you can make that video in this example, and that's going to be a much easier time to be able to rank for that keyword. So another keyword you could type in is how to do solo ads, or how do solo ads work. And then basically you can explain how solo ads work. A solo ad is basically when you buy clicks to your GetResponse landing page. So they're going to need the GetResponse tool, and then you can promote that product in that video. So you can see lots of different things that you can do with this affiliate marketing method. Now another product that you can do is the vidIQ program that you can sign up for. Once again, you just come to the bottom of the page, and there should have somewhere here where you can sign up for affiliates. There it is, affiliate marketing. So instead of going to just target vidIQ review, what you can do is target how to find searchable content. Here we go, how to find searchable topics for YouTube videos. If I click onto that example, you can see that my video actually comes up right there, because I actually did this method, but I wasn't putting the vidIQ link in that specific video. But you can see my channel, this is the channel you're watching right now, it only has around 33 subscribers, and I'm not too sure in incognito if this is going to show the same result, but you can see I was able to rank 67 views in 10 days so far. So this is picking up views. Over time, people click onto the link in the description, and I will make affiliate sales. Now, another product that you can do this on is a VPN software. So in this case, it's NordVPN. We can come to YouTube and we can type things like how to change Netflix region. So you can see without VPN, how to change Netflix region on Android. You could click onto that, and to be able to actually successfully do that method, they will need to sign up for your VPN software, which in this case it's NordVPN. There's also ExpressVPN, and there's lots of VPNs you can promote. Once again, just sign up to the affiliate program and you'll be able to get started. So you can see here like 111,000 views, 130,000 views, 183 views. Okay, so this is picking up traction. Now, the nice thing about affiliate marketing is you don't need so many views in order to make pretty decent money. You can make like $2,000, $3,000 with just like 1,000 views per day onto your channel. That's the power of affiliate marketing. So you definitely want to implement affiliate marketing into your YouTube search-based automation strategy. Now, one thing I didn't mention in the video yet is that you're going to have your YouTube channel. It's going to be in a specific niche. You're going to be creating these search-based videos with affiliate marketing links in the description. But what you can do is have one basic core offer that you put in all the descriptions of your videos, so that no matter what they're watching on your channel, they'll have the opportunity to sign up for that product. So if you're talking about VPNs, that could be the NordVPN program. If you're talking about email marketing, it could be GetResponse, and that's your core offer that you will put in every single one of your videos along with any other links. If you're talking about AI, you can put in-video AI as your core offer. If you don't want to do that, you can make use of marketplaces that list out all these available products. So you can see here's an example of a marketplace called Warrior Plus. You can basically find tons and tons of products on Warrior Plus. Now this works great for the making money online niche. So if you're in that niche, definitely make use of Warrior Plus. And all you have to do here is basically request to become an affiliate for that product. Once you're approved, it's going to say get link, just like you see there. And then you'll be able to get your link and put that into your bio, your YouTube channel bio link, as well as all the descriptions of your YouTube channel. And then if you're in any other niche, you can basically come to ClickBank Marketplace and you can see all these available niches. You can pretty much find a ClickBank product in any sort of niche. So for an example, I'll go to e-business and e-marketing and I'll just show you the process to get a link. You can see all the available products, how much they pay. So in this case, it's $400 per sale. So basically you'll find a product, click onto this promote now button right here, and then you'll click onto create hop link. And then you'll basically get this link that you can actually put in your YouTube descriptions. So that's how you do that. Now, if you want to promote more than one product in your YouTube descriptions, you can basically use a tool called Linktree. And Linktree is a nice service. It's free to use. And what it looks like is you can see this image right here. You can see your profile picture, your name or your channel name, and then you can put like 3 different products into your description link, and then people can choose what they want to click on. So that's YouTube affiliate marketing, a great strategy to be able to make money, more money with your YouTube search-based automated channel. Now, if you would like to start your very own faceless YouTube search-based channel, then you can go ahead and get my free guide. That's not going to cost you anything by clicking the first link in the description of this video. All you need to do is enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. Now, if you want to learn more about YouTube search-based automation, then you can go ahead and click on this video right here and I'll see you in that video.